You will love the features of this 2017 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a well-built Volkswagen Golf Alltrack, the comfortable, sensible automobile with all-weather capability and impressive cargo space. Prepare to fall in love with its comfortable, refined cabin trimmed in nice quality materials. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Get the practicality you need and the quality you deserve with this well-crafted Golf Alltrack. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.